How to change iPhone's wallpaper every time you touch on the screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your iPhone's lock screen or wallpaper every time you tap on it. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is simply pull down your notifications bar, and after you're there, simply long press on there, and after you do that, you will see the plus icon on the bottom right. Tap on that plus icon, and after you've tapped on that, you will find an option called Photo Shuffle. Tap on Photo Shuffle, and after you've tapped on it, you will see different options. Now you can choose your people, or you can choose the nature, or you can select a specific album. Now you can create an album already in your gallery and you can choose it from here. Now you can also select photos manually, so you can tap on that to choose your photo and make a collection. Now I'll just use this featured photo by the collection. Now I'll use this nature one that it has given me. Now tap on shuffle frequency and you will see on tap option. Tap on tap, and after you've done that, tap on use featured photo, or if you want to select photos manually, tap on select photos manually. I'll be using the featured photos. Now after you've done that, you will see that this should load up. Now if you tap on it once, it will just change. Now if you tap on it again, it will change again, and this keeps on going. Now all you need to do is you can edit your wallpaper like this and tap on add. After you've tapped on add, you will see set as wallpaper pair. Now you can tap on that as well, and you've just added the wallpaper. Now simply select on it, and if you tap on it, it should change. So it's literally that simple, guys, and that is basically all for the video too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.